What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in your 2018 Jeep Wrangler. This works all the way up from 2018 all the way to 2023. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we are going to get a flathead screwdriver, turn the remote over. If you look at the bottom of it, there's this little cutout right here. We're going to use this cutout to go ahead and just pry this back case off. Okay, you got to be kind of gentle with it, but just go at it all the way around like this. You'll notice that the case will just come right off. And we get the case off, exposes the battery. Battery itself, the size of it is a CR2450. I'm going to leave a link down in the description box. It takes you to Amazon if you need to buy some batteries. Nice and simple, nice and easy. So check that out. To get this battery out, there is a little bitty slit or a little hole right here. You can see a little bitty arrow right here. This is where you're going to get your flathead screwdriver and pry the battery out. You have to pry it down and pry it out, and it's going to want to try to jump out of here. Okay, so when you get the battery out, you can see that it is positive facing you. You can get your new battery. When you get it, you're gonna have to slide it down into the remote first and push it right in, and then get your cover and just snap it right back on. Nice and easy. And that's it, nice and easy. Hopefully the video was very helpful, and if it was, I'd really appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.